water. Calm down, girl. She's hitting me. She is hitting me. She's hitting me. She was giving her slap left and right. She was slapping on the head. She strangled her like 5 times. Yeah. They just got her down now. She was beating her. She was beating her. She was just like trying to calm down. She was like she just slapped when she was giving to her. For having in mind, and everyone said having in mind to do this for me. I want to know how much you want to do it for this today. Operations run for you. This is going to make you into the gun. Hey, go ahead. Look like them. Okay, standing by to instructions. Please, this is